I'm Amanda.
I'm John.
We are
Rolling Hills Landscapes, the owners of said company.
Wanted to take this opportunity to introduce you to a little bit about what we're about and how we run things. So we've been in business since 2000.
Started a little bit before that as a 14-year-old pushing around a lawnmower, and then did that for a few years, and we finally became an actual business in 2000. So we've been at it for, this is our 24th year legally, officially.
Yeah. And for us working together, this is 16 years this month, basically since we've been married. So that we've been together working.
Time flies.
It does. Just by comparison, we have over 20 years under our belt. The Small Business Administration says that 4 out of 5 businesses won't make it through the first 5 years. So it's a pretty big accomplishment.
Yep.
We'll talk about John's experience as an installer. So he is a NCMA, so National Concrete Masonry Association certified level 1 and advanced installer. John's also a certified instructor for SRWs, segmental retaining walls. And
what you see right behind us.
Yeah. And think Versalock and other such products. And also he is a CPI or concrete paver installer through the CMHA, Concrete Masonry and Hardscape Association, and an instructor for pavers as well.
Am I to elaborate?
Yeah, elaborate.
I don't know what to elaborate on.
I mean, how many are there? What does that really mean?
Last I checked, there's around, for the advanced SRW retaining wall, there's about 250 in the entire United States and Canada. And this is not a no-name organization. They are the ones who actually set the standards for the block that are being made in the pavers. So it's a pretty rare thing that people actually get that level of certification. When recently looked up on just How's website, and there were 1,100 companies that came up as a search result when you search for retaining walls in Pittsburgh. So you multiply that by maybe 3 guys a crew, and so you're looking at thousands of people just in Pittsburgh, and then you expound that to the United States and Canada. It's pretty rare that people actually have the dedication to the craft, and that's where I don't like bragging, but I also, it does matter that what we do, and we do have a particular focus on what we do. This is not an afterthought. We're not doing it because we had nothing better to do. I love my job, and I'm very thankful to get to do it for 24 years now, and want to keep going.